Today I want to practice some challenges in the HackerRank for SQL. The first one that I choose, the revising the select query. I try to solve this problem because they are basics. For better understanding SQL, I want to translate sentence to the SQL script. For example, query or column start with select, and for our American city in the table, we can say from city. For the next one, with population, where population, $100,000. For the last one, I start with and country code equal USA, and make these sentence as a comment. And also that. Okay, I think everything is okay. You can see only I translated everything to the query from the sentence of the description of the problem.